Hi guys, a very good afternoon and welcome to today's crypto market outlook for the 31st of May 2021. In today's crypto market outlook, I'm going to be discussing Bitcoin, XRP and Ethereum. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So to start off with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been moving beautifully bullish as of today. If we quickly have a look at what the 1 hour time frame is currently doing, we can beautifully see that we retested that descending trend line which I mentioned this weekend. So what I really like currently at the moment on Bitcoin is the fact that we created a new higher high in comparison to this previous higher high. So with a new higher high being created on the 1 hour time frame, we can now officially say, okay, the 1 hour time frame is in an uptrend. So this is step one in moving forward further towards the upside. Step two is getting a bullish 4 hour close. So as you guys know, this area is my area of resistance at around 37,350, and I do expect Bitcoin to dip in during the New York session back down towards the downside to retest that 1 hour level which we've now created. Because if we go to the 1 hour time frame, that level is situated approximately over here at around 36,209. So definitely once we meet resistance over here, I do expect to see some rejection, maybe see a pullback back towards 36,209, but I definitely expect Bitcoin to break out and impulse further towards the upside. So what I also really like about Bitcoin is the fact that we had this inverse head and shoulders. So let me just mark that out for you guys. So we had the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder, retracement back towards the 618 fib level, and from there onwards we've been impulsing back towards the upside. So currently on Bitcoin, beautifully bullish. Just going to be waiting for a new higher high to be created on the 4 hour, because this is the major high that needs to get broken for Bitcoin to continue back up towards 40k. So yeah, with Bitcoin discussed, let's head over to Ethereum. And as we can see, Ethereum played out to absolute perfection. As you guys know, I did mention that we would or potentially could see a retracement back towards the 618 to retest that descending trend line. So personally still in a long position, running at break even. As you guys can see, absolutely no drawdown. At the moment, Ethereum is looking really good. So Ethereum is kind of in the same situation as on Bitcoin. On the 1 hour, we have created a new higher high because as we can see, this high over here has been broken and we've now created a new higher high. But if we look on the 4 hour time frame, what you'll then see is that the major high that we need to break is the high that we're currently facing. So this high at around 2543, that is the high which needs to be broken for the 4 hour to also move back in towards that uptrend. So at the moment, I am super bullish on Ethereum. It's looking fantastic at the moment. I am expecting a bullish week if we can continue like this. So for now, just going to be waiting for, let's say, another close up above over here, then probably a retracement during the New York session alongside Bitcoin. So retracement back towards this area of support to then potentially go long once again. So yeah, from there onwards, once we see that retracement, we will then have created a new higher low. So we have this higher low, potential new higher low, and then an impulse back up in towards 2806. So yeah, let's head over to our last coin, which is XRP. And XRP also beautiful position. As we can see, we had the descending wedge. Third trend line touch of the descending wedge was at the 618 level, tapped into towards the blue zone, and from there onwards we have been impulsing back in towards the highs. So XRP is kind of the same as Ethereum and Bitcoin. As we can see, we have created a new higher high. So this previous lower high got broken and we've now created a new higher high. So what I'm currently seeing on XRP is that we are potentially creating a new 4 hour inverse head and shoulders. So on XRP, we had the inverse head and shoulders over here with the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder. From there onwards, started impulsing back towards the upside. But if we now look at the 4 hour time frame, what you'll then see is that we have this larger overall inverse head and shoulders with the left shoulder over here the head, and then a potential right shoulder over here. So what we could see is once Bitcoin faces that area of resistance, that we see a pullback occur on XRP from this area of resistance, because XRP is also facing resistance very soon at around $1, or it is at $1, excuse me. So at $1, there is this major area of resistance, as we know. So we're currently situated over there. So therefore, I do expect XRP to potentially pull back towards its previous area of support and resistance, create that right shoulder of the inverse head and shoulders, to then impulse back in towards the highs, up towards that $1.12 region. So quickly, just mark it out for you guys, what we're going to be looking for. Let me just clean up my chart a bit. So what we're going to be looking for is potentially, let's draw in this fib over here, is potentially a retracement back towards that 618. So that's around, let's say, 94 cents. Potentially our first entry. Second entry will potentially be back down a little lower, maybe dip all the way back down towards 90 cents to then go long back in towards that 1.12 region. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for tuning in. If you have any questions whatsoever, any coins you want me to discuss for you, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you all in tomorrow's video. Have a great day, guys.